my 10th video on my subject, which is Calculus 2, the implicit differentiation. So, the process of finding the derivative of the dependent variable in an implicit function by differentiating its terms separately by expressing the derivative of the independent variable as a symbol and by solving the resulting expression for the symbol, that is our implicit differentiation. So, how do we perform implicit differentiation? In implicit differentiation, we differentiate each side of an equation with two variables. So usually x and y, by treating one of the variables as a function of the other. This is using this call is using our chain rule. So, for example, let's differentiate x squared plus y squared is equals to 1. Okay, so notice that the derivative of y squared is 2y. So dy over dx is not simply 2y. So dy over dx, quantity of x squared plus 2y is equals to d over, with respect to x, times 1. And dy over dx minus x squared plus dy over dx times 2y squared is equal to 0. So, ato lang siyang gi-differentiate ng mga terms, no? Ato siyang gilahi-lahi. Then, 2x plus 2y times to our dy over dx is equals to 0. Since mawala naman natong dy over dx. So, mabili na lang nato 2. Since, nani siyang mahitabo. We all know that we have a function here of 1 and we have a function here of 1. So, 1 times 2, so we can come up with 2. 1 times 2, we can come up with 2. So, we can come up with 2x plus 2y. Times to our this one functions natin, and value, dy over dx equals to 0. So, we need to what we call this one, we need to factor out our y times to our 2y times our dy over dx equals to negative 2x. Since na-interchange naman siya, so since na-interchange naman si 2x, so magiging negative na siya. So 2y minus dy over times dy over dx equals to 2x. So we can come up with the answer of dx over dy over dx equals to negative 2x. So this is our answer. Okay, next example naman tayo. Let's differentiate y squared plus 5y squared plus our 2x squared plus 3x equals to 5. So, 2y squared minus, this time we need to do our rule. So, 2y raised to 2 minus 1 dy over dx plus y plus 5 times to 1 dy over dx plus 4 times 2x raised to 2 minus 1, so plus 3 times 1 is equals to 0. So 2y dy over dx plus 5 dy over dx plus 8 plus 3 is equals to 0. That is the answer of this equation. And then 2y dy over dx plus 5 dy over dx equals to negative 8x minus 3. So we need to interchange our terms, no? Dito na siya nilagay. And then solve it, so we can come up with dy over dx, quantity of 2y plus 5 over to our 2y plus 5 equals to our, to cash out our term. So, to mabili na lang ang dy over dx, kailangan ito siya cancel out. So, equals to our 8 minus 8x minus 3 over 2y over plus 5. So, cancel out ni siya. We have the same value naman. So, mabili na lang ito, dy over dx is equals to our this value. Since di na siya ma-solve pa. So, we can come up with the answer of dy over dx equals to a negative 8x minus 3 over 2y plus 5. So, in general, our implicit differentiation in a function we get by taking the relation of f of x of y or equals to our g of x and y, and solving for y is called the implicit function for the relation. So, that's all. I hope you have learned. Thank you.